Hey, it's Erin with Simple Purposeful Living, and I'm back today to show you how to make my simple 4-ingredient chicken pot pie. We're going to start with the filling today, put it in a silver bowl. So I'm going to add my mixed vegetables, 1 bag of frozen mixed vegetables, 1 can of chicken. You can replace that with fresh cooked chicken or fresh cooked turkey, your choice. And I just fork the chicken a little bit to break it up. We'll put that in the bowl. And then last but not least, we'll add a can of cream and chicken soup into the bowl. So the 3 ingredients for the filling are a can of cream of chicken soup, a can of chicken, and I just fork my way through that chicken to break it up. It's a 12.5 ounce can, and 1 bag of frozen vegetables. You're gonna mix that up. That's what the filling will look like, your chicken pot pie filling with those 3 ingredients. And then you're gonna grab a pie crust, a deep dish pie crust. And you're gonna also add in 1 ready to bake pie crust for the top. You could also use both of these and use a pie plate if you prefer. I like the simple route, so I go with the frozen pie crust. And you just go ahead and add your filling to the pie crust. Make sure it's well mixed. Scrape it all off, get it all in. Smooth it in so that it stays within its boundaries. It'll look like this before you put the top on, and then you're gonna roll out the top. And you'll notice that you have some excess. What I like to do is press down the sides so that it seals off the pie, and then it's up to you. You can either trim off the sides, or if you like a lot of crust, you can go ahead and just fold it over so that you have a simple braided top. Let me show you. You just kind of fold it over on top of itself. It's not perfect, but it's perfect for a weeknight. So there is your chicken pot pie, your 4 ingredients. You need a pie crust, a bag of frozen mixed vegetables, a can of cream of chicken soup, and a can of chicken that you fork through, and you add it together, and now you cook this at 350 degrees for 1 hour, and you have yourself a simple weeknight meal. Enjoy. For more recipes and this recipe, check out simplepurposefulliving.com, full of tips and tricks to help make your life more simple on purpose. Thanks so much for watching.